It's time for each of us to start living lagoon-friendly. When it comes to climate change and sea level rise, that means taking action to make our communities and the lagoon more resilient to climate stressors that harm human health and the environment. There's a role for everyone: agencies, governments, homeowners, anyone who cares about health communities and the lagoon. Local governments and agencies have a historic opportunity to reimagine communities. They can examine vulnerabilities to sea level rise, develop plans to improve infrastructure, and protect or move vital services in the future. Cities and counties can protect wetlands, working with nature to prevent flooding and erosion, reducing the impacts of storm surges, and protecting water quality in the lagoon. Waterfront homeowners can make their properties more resilient by replacing hardened shorelines with living shorelines, using mangroves, oysters, and native plants that prevent erosion and deflect wave energy. Even if you're not a homeowner, you can still help by staying informed about the ways your community is planning for climate change and adapting to rising sea levels. Take action by volunteering on local sustainability boards or helping with wetland, oyster, and seagrass restoration projects. By adopting just a few lagoon-friendly practices, we all make a difference. Invite your friends and neighbors to come together and work with us as one community with one voice. It's going to take more than just state agencies and local governments to solve the problem. It's going to take everyone. And it's time we get started.